Hello, this is Adam E. Shelton with another episode of Achieve Financial Freedom. Today we're going to talk about photography jobs online. Submit your photos and get paid. So you like taking photos, if you have plenty of photos in your camera or on your computer, you can get paid right from home by submitting photos and getting paid for them. This is one of my favorite websites for making money from your home, mainly because it's taking place with photos. Everybody has tons of photos, and this website here will help you make money off those photos. I will have the information right below this video to explain what I'm talking about. Get paid to take photos. Make an extra full-time living from photography. Work at home, make money no matter where you in this world. Turn your hobby into a profitable business. Here's a video that talks a little bit more about it.
Do you want to get paid to take photos? Here's how you can make extra money or a full-time income submitting photos online. All you need is a simple camera, internet connection, and a little creativity.
So that here, she says all you need is a basic camera, internet, and creativity. Something that most people have already. So let me scroll down here. First, you will start your 7-day trial, but I'm going to scroll down here first where you can read more about the information before you start your 7-day trial for only $1 today for this month and next month as well. So here's a tutorial about a person from Los Angeles. He started 3 weeks ago and now earns $700 using the information found in this site. Definitely highly recommend it. This is a great opportunity if you want to make money from home. Just your photos, just by your photos. Here are the average pay. So earn up to $25 per photo. That is a really good deal. High paying corporations, thousands of dollars per month. So here's some of the corporations that people have heard of, like Shutterstock, iStock, just to name a couple. And the basic information: take a photo, submit online, photos get downloaded, and you earn money. And here's thousands of highly paying photo jobs. Food photos, you got health and fitness photos, sports photos, landscape photos. Here's all the photos that this website will accept, this company will accept. If you live outside the United States, no problem. You get paid over 150 countries, so that's fantastic if you're not from the United States. And here's just more thing about it: weekly income, monthly income, and yearly income based on how many photos that you submit. So let me scroll all the way down a little bit more. No boss, no noisy alarm clock, definitely no schedule. So it's basically, this is your own business. This is basically on your photos, basically on your photos. So after you read the information here, I'm gonna scroll back up and click to start your 7-day trial. So you'll start a membership, and here's information about it. You get weekly job updates, unlimited private coaching. So if it's your first time about the whole situation, you will be walked through the information, unlimited email support, unlimited photo upload. So they'll walk you through the steps that you need to do, and you basically get paid from your photos. If it's in your camera, if it's in your iPad, if it's in your tablet, if it's in your computer, submit them and you can make some money. And here's the promo I was talking about. It ends tomorrow, but it will be extended this month and next month. photographyjobs.net. I will have that information right below this video for you can get started, and then you just click here to join now. So this is a great opportunity to sign up. Photography jobs online. Submit your photos and get paid. I love this site because basically most people have a bunch of photos and they can make money right now. Why not give it a shot? For $1, why not? And then they walk you through the whole steps, and here's a tutorial that talks more about it. I'm Adam E. Shelton, signing off. Financial freedom every single day. If you like this page, like it. Give me some comments, subscribe to this channel with more information about education, making money from online, investing. This is the channel to get that updated information. I'm Adam E. Shelton, and I'll see you in the next video.